Every single person selling digital products, and even those selling physical products too. This video is going to be a game changer for multiplying your sales, especially if you're selling anything on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos for your Etsy listings in your online store. And it doesn't stop there. I'll also show you how to create highly professional images in just a few simple clicks. There's a confirmed fact you need to know. Etsy is pushing listings with video. So after watching and applying this video, you'll have no excuse not to show up on the first pages of Etsy. For example, if we go to Etsy and search for kids books, you'll notice that all the products on the first page include videos. That's why Etsy placed them there, because it clearly prioritizes that. And this isn't just for digital products or kids books. If you search for mugs, you'll also find that the top-ranking, best-selling products all have videos. And it doesn't stop at print-on-demand products either. If we search for any physical product, like school bags, you'll again see that the products on the first page, the best sellers, all have videos created for them. As I told you, it's been confirmed that if you create videos for your listings, they are much more likely to rank on the first pages. So focus with me in this video, because it can completely transform your business and multiply your sales dramatically. In this video, we'll be using the amazing website Kittl, which allows us to create stunning images and videos, and even kids books and many other designs using AI. And there's a huge discount on Kittl that I really want you to take advantage of, because it's only available for 1 month until April 25th. You'll get 2 months for free on the annual plan, plus additional video generations. For example, if you subscribe to the Pro annual plan, you'll get 50 extra videos completely free in the first 2 months. If you go for the Expert plan, you'll get 100 additional videos for the first 2 months. And if you subscribe to the Max plan, you'll get 250 additional videos for the first 2 months. To get this offer, use the link in the description and the pinned comment. And don't forget to use the code ETSY to unlock this deal. And now, let's jump straight into the practical tutorial on how to create highly professional listing images and videos. In the beginning, we're going to create a new design on Kittl with dimensions of 3000 by 2250 pixels. Then after that, let's say I have some images like a mug, a book, and a bag, and I want to create listing images and videos for them. First, I'll upload these images to Kittl. Now, I want to create images for this summer mug, and I also want to create a video for it so I can upload them to Etsy and, like I said, make my product show up on the first pages. So all I have to do at the beginning is add the mug image to the first page. Then, when we click on the purple dot on the right side of the page, 3 options will appear. The first option is AI Image Board, and through this, you can create images using AI. But at the same time, the image will be connected to this first page, and you'll understand that in a moment. The second option is creating a video using AI, and the video will also be generated based on the information, and you'll understand that as well. So first, I want to create an image using AI, so I'll click on the first option. Then, the AI image board will be added. Imagine this as your personal designer. Just tell it what you want, and it will design it for you in seconds. For example, I want a young person holding this summer mug as if they are drinking coffee, so I'll describe that in detail here. You write the prompt for the image you want in detail, and it will understand it easily. After that, you can improve the prompt by clicking on Enhance Prompt. And from here, you can also choose the AI model you want to generate the image. I personally always prefer the Nano Banana Pro model because it gives me amazing results. And from here, you select the image dimensions. I'll set it to a 3:2 ratio. Then, we click Generate Image, and within seconds, it will give you a very accurate image of a person holding your exact mug professionally, without editing anything. I'm honestly amazed by the result, and I'm always impressed by what Kittl can do. Now, I want to create a video for this same mug because I'm selling it. So all I have to do is click on the purple dot on the right side of the image that was just created. And this time, I'll choose AI Video Board. In the same way, I'll tell it that I want this person to drink from the mug and say, for example, buy this coffee mug now. I'll also choose the video dimensions I want and select the AI model that will generate the video. Let's try VEO 3.1. After that, you choose the video duration, let's say 6 seconds, and decide whether you want sound in the video. I'll enable sound for this one. Then I'll click Generate Video, and let's see the result together.
Buy this amazing coffee mug at a cheap price right now. Buy this amazing coffee mug at a cheap price right now. Buy this amazing coffee.
I'm very amazed by the result. It honestly looks like a real video. And the mug design didn't change at all, which is absolutely incredible. This is something really powerful, and like I told you, this doesn't apply to just one product. Anything you sell on Etsy or online, you can create professional videos for it. For example, let's say I'm selling a kid's coloring book, and this is the cover. I'll upload the cover to the first page the same way, then I'll add an AI image board to it. Now I'll describe in detail what I want. Let's say I want an image of a 4-year-old girl holding this book and presenting it forward. So I'll tell the AI exactly that. Then I'll choose the dimensions and the AI model as usual and click Generate. And within seconds, you'll see an amazing result. The girl is holding the exact same book cover professionally without changing anything. It looks completely real. And now, to create a video using this image, all I have to do is add an AI video board. Then I'll write the prompt in detail, telling it I want the girl to say, buy this book. After that, I'll adjust the AI model settings, video dimensions, and duration. Then click Generate Video, and within seconds, the video will be ready. Let's check the result together.
Buy this amazing coloring book now. Buy this amazing coloring book now.
As usual, the result from the first attempt is amazing for me. Everything moves naturally and smoothly. There are no errors on the book cover, and honestly, I don't even think this video looks like it was created using AI. And I didn't forget about sellers who sell physical products. Let's say I'm selling a school bag for kids, and I only have one image of the bag. Using the same method, I'll upload the school bag image to the page, then simply add an AI image board. As usual, I'll set the image dimensions and write the prompt. For example, I want a school-age child holding this backpack, so I'll tell the AI that. Then I'll click Generate, and within seconds, this amazing image will be created. I'm honestly blown away every single time by these results. And to create a video from this image, I'll just add an AI video board, then tell it I want the child to move and say, buy this comfortable and amazing backpack. After that, I'll choose the AI model. Let's try Kling Video 3, enable sound for the video, then click Generate, and look at the result now.
This is a fun backpack.
The result, as you've seen, is amazing from the very first try. And the bag design didn't change at all, so you can rely on this platform without worrying about your product details being altered. What's also great is that you can add text to your video and edit it directly without needing any external video editing software. You can also add shapes to the video, draw freely using the pen tool, and easily add any text you want. I really hope you benefited from this video, and I hope you apply what you learned because I truly want you to succeed on Etsy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're getting value, and to access the offer, you'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. I'll see you in a new video. Goodbye!